Today's event was absolutely amazing. We came in wanting to provide mental health education and support, and what we got back was just astronomical. My name is Tika Trotter-Mason. I am the Director of Outpatient Services with HCA Healthcare out of Dominion Hospital in Falls Church, Virginia.
I am Christopher Finley, Associate Vice President for HCA Capital Division.
Expressive therapies, we know, is a lot of evidence and research that supports the effectiveness of it. It transcends settings, it transcends ages, and really to see these students come here and benefit from that was just wonderful.
So today's event, we gave students the option of going through different expressive therapy stations where they were able to learn about different coping mechanisms for anxiety or stress. It was a perfect time as our students just completed their SOL testing, as well as our seniors are gearing up for their senior exams, which start on Thursday.
I'd say my favorite station definitely was the art. It showed us how to express our thoughts and our emotions in a way that is not writing or said out loud through words.
The students here at Unity Read are just very resilient. They were so engaged and willing to share in a way that they actually empowered us. Once again, we came in trying to give something, and what they gave back was absolutely amazing.
Programs like this are so important because if my mind is not working, I can't work. Not even my body, nothing.
HCA Capital Division is committed to addressing mental health in our communities. So I think with respect to the modern students and how we are reaching them is just that, it's in the classroom.
I think that it can be difficult being a teenager these days, and I agree with you, it was absolutely refreshing to see them in this space. These kids are ambitious, they are resilient, they have visions and careers and things that they are speaking into existence. That is absolutely amazing. And the fact that they really understand the importance of wellness and how to ensure that that part is in check so that they are able to reach these wonderful goals that they talked about today.